Hello guys, what if you have someone who is working for your business 24 by 7? Someone who can reply to your customers, even solve their queries, and capture their details. Sounds crazy, right? So let me show you a quick demo. So let's see a demo of our real estate agent. I am sending hi. After that, it replies back me with this welcome message from ABC Properties. Then it started asking me question one by one, and once I finished answering all of them, it came out with the outro message, and it also have captured this lead, which we will see later in the video. So recently I was talking to one of my business friends, and he told me this happens all the time. Customer replies to them on the WhatsApp, but they are unable to reply to them immediately, because of which they are losing customers daily. So today we are going to understand how you can create this similar WhatsApp agent for your business step by step. So let's start creating our agent. For that we will be requiring two things. One is N10 account and another one is Facebook account with business profile. I'm not covering that in this video. You can check other videos for that. It is pretty simple and let's go. So first we will open the N10 instance, and then we are going to call the chat trigger node. Once we have this, we are going to open the agent, AI agent, and then we are going to attach a chat model. I'm going to be using Gemini chat model here because it is currently available for free, and you can just try it. I am using 2.5 flash model here, and then I'm going to just try to chat here, and I'm just telling it that my name is Piyush. Then it will return with something. Then I will tell that I love pizza, just to understand how it reacts. Once I have done this, I am again asking it that whether it remember my name or not. So you will see that it is not remembering the name because it does not have any memory with it. So then we are going to attach simple memory to this AI agent. Once we give this capability, and then we are going to clear the conversation. We are going to try the same thing again. I will tell it that my name is Piyush, and once it is like replied back, I'm going to tell it that I love eating pizza. We will wait for some time. Now when I will ask that do you remember my name, it is going to, you guys might have correctly guessed, yes, it was able to remember my name because we have attached simple memory to it. Now we have completed this. There is some error while chatting with the model. Maybe I've completed my use of Google Gemini chat model for today, so maybe that might be the issue. So I will be using OpenAI model. I have some credits available in my account, so let me use this model for this tutorial. So I'm going to attach. I am using GPT 4.1 mini model in this. Once it is done, we will clear the conversion. Now we are moving forward to much more complex version of this agent. I am creating a ABC property sheet in which I have three sheets: business info, where I have mentioned some of the information about the business, some of the questions that we will be asking to the user, and then there is a lead sheet where we are going to capture the leads coming as an inquiry to our chat model. So here is the system prompt that I am using, where I mentioned tools as well as the role that the model has to, or this AI agent has to perform. So system prompt is where we write the rules and the overall description about the tools and the memory that the AI agent has been given. Now I am attaching the tools one by one. First I am attaching a Google Sheet tool which will provide the business information from our sheet to the AI agent. Then once we have attached it, we should rename it to business info. Then we are going to attach another Google Sheet node which will bring the information about the questions that need to be asked. So we have to rightly mention the sheet as well as the document. Then once we have done this, we are now going to attach our tool so that we can append the rows to capture the leads for the user. Again, we are going to use Google Sheet node. Here we are going to mention the operation to append, and we are going to mention our document and select leads in there. Once we have done this, we will going to be selecting defined by models so that it is dependent upon the model to write the correct information. The models that we are using nowadays have this reasoning capabilities, so they can handle. In timings, we are going to use this expression of now. Once we have completed doing this, let me rename the last sheet to leads so that we are properly mentioning the name. Then I am going to again start chatting. Let me see whether the AI agent is able to call our tools and is able to perform the action. It is taking some time. Let's see what is happening. Let me clear the conversation once and check what is the reason. Let me try it once again. Hi. Yeah, now it is going on. So see how nicely it was able to call the information from the sheet, and it is asking us about the name and the email address because I mentioned this in the system prompt. So system prompt is very important, guys. It is where you write all of the information how your agent behaves. Then it asked me the next question about what properties I want to buy. Then it will ask like 3 to 4 questions before ending this conversation, and the next question is about budget. And once we have finished giving the information about the budget, it will ask for location. Now last question it is asking is about when I am planning to buy this, so that it can call me at the right time. So once we have done this, let me show you that it was able to capture the lead in our sheet, and this is how we were storing the information, and this is our simple agent. Now I am deactivating my chat trigger and going to attach WhatsApp message trigger so that we can convert this chat model agent into WhatsApp agent. For that I am going to add node for a trigger via messages. That means as soon as any message comes on our WhatsApp bot, it will be redirected to this workflow. Then I have connected my WhatsApp account. You can easily create an app through your business profile and do it. You can check some other tutorials for that. We are not going to cover that in this tutorial. Once you have set up that, you will be easily able to attach the WhatsApp trigger. Then we are going to attach our next node, which is going to be the WhatsApp node, which is going to send back the message to the model as a response. So we are going to attach this send message node. It is also going to require a little bit of setup that you can easily do it on your own. Once we have done this, it is giving some error because we are not we have not attached the perfect recipient number here means is the phone number from which the message is coming. Sorry guys, you might be seeing this Postgres chat memory. I have attached this because simple memory does not work is not persistent across the workflows, because of which I am using Postgres, which stores the memory in the persistent database, which is the Postgres SQL. I am currently using Supabase here. Once the setup is done, there are some changes. I have to change my keys to the unique key that is coming from the WhatsApp, rather than using the session ID which we were using in the chat trigger. So I have made that change, and apart from it, I have also would like to configure this last node about send message. For that also I need a proper field which I will get once I run the workflow. Once I have now I will try to configure the last node. So we are getting the output field from the AI agent, which will be sent as a reply to the message from the user, and other one is the recipient phone number. Which will be from the node. The text body will be coming from the output of the AI agent node. This one we have configured this. Now let's clear the chat once for the last time, and then test the workflow again. I have sent hi. The message has come to AI agent. It is preparing for the reply. Once now it has replied with the message beautifully. Then I'm again going to message it again with my name. Oh sorry, I made a mistake. I have not executed the workflow, so let me publish it once. Then I do not have to run the workflow again and again. Now I will copy the message. Let me send the message again. Now this time it has come up with a reply. I will select villa. It will ask me about the budget. Let me select 1.2 CR. Once I have done that, it will be asking about the place So I would be selecting Bandra, then let's wait. Okay, so it is asking about when I am planning to buy, so I will be replying just exploring. Once I have done this, we have to wait for some time. It has assigned someone to us so that he can inquire us, and let me check in the leads table whether, yeah, so lead has been captured beautifully. So this is our AI agent which is able to capture the lead properly. And let me check other functionality also. Let me ask one more question about what is the tagline for our business. What is your tagline? Let's see what it will answer. So it came up with the perfect reply, your dream home of aids. If you are looking for such similar services for your business, you can easily contact us at www.AiXceler.com.